Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at the Odyson 150W power supply, a replacement specifically designed for the Apple Mac Mini M1 A2348 2020 model. If you've encountered the dreaded scenario where your Mac Mini simply refuses to power on, a faulty power supply could very well be the culprit. The Odyson power supply comes from a brand called Odyson, and it's designed to be an internal replacement. This means it fits inside the Mac Mini's chassis, maintaining the original form factor. It delivers 150 watts of power, matching the original specifications of the Mac Mini M1's power requirements. The connector type is PCI Express, ensuring a secure and compatible connection within your device. The cooling method is air, which is the standard for these types of power supplies, helping to dissipate heat and maintain stable operation. Now, let's talk about why you might need this. The Mac Mini M1 is a fantastic little machine, but like any electronic device, its components can fail over time. The power supply is a critical component, and if it goes bad, your Mac Mini is essentially dead in the water. Instead of replacing the entire computer, the Odyson power supply offers a cost-effective solution. Replacing the power supply isn't necessarily a task for the faint of heart. It requires some technical skill and familiarity with computer hardware. You'll need to open up your Mac Mini, carefully disconnect the old power supply, and install the new one. There are plenty of online guides and videos that can walk you through the process step by step, so don't be intimidated if you've never done something like this before. Just be sure to take your time, be gentle with the components, and ground yourself properly to avoid electrostatic discharge, which can damage sensitive electronics. The Odyson power supply is a direct replacement, meaning it should fit perfectly and function just like the original. It's always a good idea to double-check the model number of your Mac Mini, A2348, to ensure compatibility before purchasing. Overall, the Odyson 150W power supply is a solid option for reviving a Mac Mini M1 that's suffering from a dead power supply. It's a more affordable alternative to replacing the entire computer, and with a bit of technical know-how, you can get your Mac Mini back up and running in no time.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.